A study has been released about internet trolls, and the study says that internet trolls are narcissistic, psychopathic, and sadistic. We have a lot of trolls on our YouTube website, on our Facebook page, on our Twitter feed, people who email us. I mean, look at Patriot Mail, for example. And there's a new psychology paper based on research conducted by Erin Buckles of the University of Manitoba and two of her colleagues, and it directly investigates whether people who engage in online trolling are characterized by personality traits that fall into the so-called dark tetrad: Machiavellianism, narcissism, psychopathy, and sadism. Now, Machiavellianism is the willingness to manipulate and deceive others. Narcissism is typically described as egotism and self-obsession. Psychopathy is known as the lack of remorse and empathy. And sadism is finding pleasure in the suffering of others. The study found correlations, sometimes quite significant, between these traits and trolling behavior. What's more, it also found a relationship between these traits, all except for narcissism, and the overall time that an individual spends per day commenting on stuff on the internet. This really answers the question, why do people who really hate what we do and what we say, why are they constantly leaving comments on our YouTube page? And I think this study very, very tidily wraps it up.
Yeah, it's fascinating. The internet has really provided the only outlet for this type of behavior. This type of thing just didn't exist before the internet, because what were these people going to do? I mean, write letters, and who was going to see them? Well, now everyone can see them, and they can just post at will all day, and it's unfortunate, but I'm still glad we have the internet, of course.
I've always felt somewhat sad, kind of, when I see the same names popping up trolling all of our YouTube videos, which we just ignore, because I don't really know anybody personally who has the time to do this type of stuff, because they have so much going on. You can't be trolling every single YouTube video that we put up. So my tendency has always been to feel bad. However, over the weekend, we're going to release a YouTube only video, which is going to ask our audience on YouTube, should we ban our regular YouTube trolls? And it'll be up to the audience what we decide to do.